Hey there guys, this is Gabriel from Pixelite, and in this part of the INSTADOWN tutorial discussing, and I'll show you how you can download images and videos using INSTADOWN in Visual Studio. So one thing I want you guys to know is that for now it can only download single images, meaning it cannot download multiple images from a post, but as time goes on we will improve on the class, on the library, and yeah, let's just get started. So I already have Visual Studio open, and from the previous parts you will be familiar with this, and I recommend, if you have not watched the previous tutorial concerning this, I recommend you watch it so you understand better. So of course we already have this, so we'll double click on the download button. We double click on the download button, yeah. So one thing is that I rename all this. Let's go to properties. I rename this to download button here, and also name this, let's give it URL box. Let's name this to URL box, yeah. And let's, yeah, and let's rename this to URL later. Alright, that's alright there. So first thing we need to do is that we need to make sure we're using INSTADOWN. So in your project, let me clear this, make sure you type using INSTADOWN, very important. Then move on. So in our class, for one class, we make a media class M there, and in our constructor, which is the form1 here, we make a new object or a new instance of the media class, which is M equals to new media class. Alright, so that is one thing to do. So then we're going to press m dot input URL. Make sure you type this first, it is very important. Unless if you don't do so, your app is going to crash. So make sure you put the input URL first. So let's make our input URL to be what we type inside this box, this text box, which we call, what do we call it, URL box. Yes, so write URL box dot text. So what we are saying is that our input URL will be what is inside our text box. So that is that. From there we'll put m dot download image, assuming is an image we want to do. So I think the thing recommend a path where you want to save your image. So we're going to make a new string called path. You can call it anything you want, but I love to call it path. And in our constructor, we're going to make path equals to, we're going to use environment dot get folder path, which is just saying a folder that how can I say, like it comes with Windows, like for example your desktop document, video, music folder. So that is what this just means, environment dot get folder path, which is going to be environment dot special folder dot, let's put on our desktop. Alright, so you, even without INSTADOWN class, this doesn't come with the INSTADOWN class at all. It comes with I believe it comes with the system namespace. So it doesn't come with the INSTADOWN class or namespace. So there we're just going to use path. Simple. So with that, done, let's try our app, see if it's working. So as you can see, our app is working. So I've already opened our posts. This is actually a video, but you can download a video to be an image. It works. So when you want to copy the URL, make sure you copy it from here and not from here. Do not copy it from here, rather copy it from here for our application to run. If not, there is going to be an error if you copy it from here. So make sure you copy it from here. Alright, so let's open our application, paste it and click on download. So let's see, did it work? Alright, it worked. As you can see, our image is a JPG file. Let's open it. So we can see it downloaded this video as an image. It can also work for an image also, it depends on you. But assuming we want to download this video as a video, what we're going to do is, first of all, let's quit our application and go back to Visual Studio. So here where you see m.download image, you are going to clear it off, and instead you're going to do m.download video. Alright, and let's don't forget to put path. So yes, that's done. We save it. Let's run it again. Alright, let's paste the same post, the link for this post that we copied from here. We posted it. I'm sorry, paste it here, and let's click download. Let's wait for a while and see the result. Now, as you can see, our video has been downloaded, and let us open it to see if it's working. As you can see, it's working, meaning the app is successful and everything works well. So it depends on you. You can make a button, a new button, if you want it. Let's put download image here. Sorry. And this place we put download video. So let's double click on this button one. All I'm going to do is let's see. So we double click on this. It's called button one. Actually, I've got to rename it, but I know you get the gist. So I'm just going to copy this, paste this, and change this to download image, while the second button will download video. So it all depends on what you want to do. Well, as you can see, it's working. Let's try it on another post from Google. Let's try on this picture here. let's copy it. Let's run our app and see. So let's download. Let's say we want it to download as an image. So click download image. Let's see. Let's minimize. As you can see, our image has been downloaded. Yes, successfully. So yeah, our image was downloaded successfully. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one, the part where I'll show you how you can actually get profile picture and information from an Instagram account. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.